So just set up new sawdust let out them guys there out here upon fresh sawdust. I'm still not reach 3 weeks old yet, but them I get hot on my seat because we lose about 2 of them dead. You know, so because I eat cause that, so we just sort out more sawdust to them. Rake the sawdust and just see what happen. Soon let them out still. I'm not finished rake yet. Still a chance to kill them people. I let them out. Still but not yet because I let them out and we have feed they want them outside, so you know probably we get feed and all of that. So we all let them out and now we lose much. 3 of them. And one year look like we will lose as well. That one there. So we have 73 we have remaining. We lose 3 already. Out of this 76, so we have 73 leave. I'm going to search for water and water down the other side the part here. So I'm just set them up and on with water and feed them now. Yeah, people. Middle week, and we just did a short video showing what's up on the farm. But yeah, people, so stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Windham Livestock Farm. And just keep up with my Instagram. We have a nice picture. We have some nice photo we put up of something different when I depend on the farm, but we have photos of it. Probably get a video some other time, but not for any time right now because I'm not gonna be there. My cousin get something and it look good, so just go through my Instagram page at CMWindham_livestock_farm and check out that picture there. Really cool if you have that in a Jamaica. And in my neck I would alone in Portland. You really have that alone. So let's go for you come back in my coop again. Kill me, kill you though. Nah, kill you still. Okay, if you go look for me. Let's go for you come back in my coop again. Go eat up my chicken feed. Huh? And your friend them. See? All your friend them outside a fly. You know my hand. I'll give you a chance to live. I'll let you go. Your friend them again. Last chance, don't come back.